Are you looking for the best drones? In this video we will look at some of the best drones on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. DJI Mini 5 Pro Drone. DJI Mini 5 Pro brings a feeling of quiet wonder to people who dream about seeing the world from above. Holding something so small yet powerful creates instant curiosity and excitement. Every flight feels like a personal escape where worries fade and focus turns toward beauty, perspective, and calm discovery. Sky views inspire creativity while gentle motion offers peace rarely found in busy routines. Capturing moments from new angles helps memories feel deeper and more meaningful. Night scenes appear rich, emotional, and cinematic, allowing stories to feel alive long after the moment passes. Travelers, creators, and everyday explorers feel connected to places rather than rushed through them. Each launch builds confidence and curiosity without fear. Lightweight design supports spontaneous adventure. Packing feels effortless, movement feels natural, and preparation never interrupts inspiration. This freedom encourages more frequent use because nothing feels heavy or complicated. Simplicity matters when creativity strikes unexpectedly. Safety awareness brings comfort to new flyers and experienced pilots alike. Calm confidence grows knowing surroundings feel understood and respected. That reassurance allows full attention on framing emotion and storytelling rather than worry. Portable size fits modern lifestyles where space and time feel limited. Creativity no longer waits for perfect conditions. Short breaks, quiet mornings, or evening walks become opportunities for expression and reflection. Number 2. FIMI X8 Tele Max Drone. FIMI X8 Tele Max 4K professional drone creates emotional connection for people who love visual storytelling and quiet exploration. Flying opens a peaceful space where creativity flows without pressure. Every movement feels smooth, controlled, and calming. Images captured from distance feel personal, powerful, and meaningful. Night scenes appear expressive and rich, helping stories feel alive. Travelers, creators, and dreamers feel confident exploring new angles without fear. This drone supports imagination, patience, and focus while fitting modern lifestyles. Choosing it feels like choosing freedom, inspiration, and clarity through gentle flight and thoughtful design. Number 3. Potensic C0 ATOM 2 Drone. Potensic C0 ATOM 2 drone with PTD1 remote control brings a quiet sense of freedom to people who love capturing life from meaningful angles. Flying feels calm and intentional, allowing creativity to rise without pressure. Every moment in the air encourages patience, focus, and emotional connection with surroundings. The sky becomes a canvas where memories feel deeper and more personal. Visual storytelling gains new life when perspective changes. Scenes once ordinary appear expressive, cinematic, and full of feeling. Daylight moments feel vivid while evening views carry mood and depth. Creators, travelers, and everyday explorers discover confidence through smooth, controlled motion that feels reassuring rather than overwhelming. Modern lifestyles demand simplicity and flexibility. This drone supports spontaneous inspiration without long preparation. Short breaks, peaceful mornings, or relaxed weekends turn into creative opportunities. Carrying feels effortless, which encourages frequent use and consistent joy. Safety awareness builds trust for beginners and experienced pilots alike. Confidence grows knowing flight feels aware and balanced. That reassurance allows attention to remain on storytelling, emotion, and framing rather than concern. Vertical and distant views support sharing memories across platforms and with loved ones. Stories feel closer even when captured from far away. Each flight becomes a personal escape from routine and noise. Choosing Potensic C0 ATOM 2 drone with PTD1 remote control reflects a desire for calm creativity and meaningful expression. It supports imagination, clarity, and mindful exploration while fitting naturally into daily life. Every flight leaves a lasting emotional impression that continues long after landing.